In this video, I'll show you how to share a Spotify playlist. If this helps you, please consider subscribing and giving the video a like so others can find it. Open your Spotify app, then click on your library on the bottom right. Then you're gonna find the playlist that you wanna share, or you can create a new playlist by clicking on the plus icon on the top right. Once your playlist is ready, go ahead and click on the three dots. You're gonna find these dots right under your title. So click on them, then you're gonna scroll down just a little bit until you find the share icon. Tap there, and now Spotify is gonna give you several different options to share your playlist. So you can copy the link to your playlist, you can share it through WhatsApp, stories, messages. You can also share it on TikTok and Snapchat. Go ahead and select your favorite option. I'm gonna send it through messages. Find your best friend or the person that you want to send it to, and that's it. Hope that helps.